I'll show you exactly how to order your Binance Visa Card for free if you want to spend your crypto directly at millions of shops worldwide while earning up to 8% cash back. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Before we jump in, there is one golden rule. Your account must be fully identity verified, and you must reside in a supported country. If you are in Europe or the UK, the program has changed, and you should check out Binance Pay instead for local crypto spending. To start, open your Binance app and ensure you are in Pro mode. Tap the More icon on the home screen, scroll down to the Finance section, and select Card. If the card is available in your region, you'll see a large Apply Now button. Tap that to begin. If you don't see it, keep watching for an alternative. Next, you'll be asked to confirm your personal details. Most of this is pre-filled from your KYC, but pay close attention to the shipping address. This is where your physical card will be mailed to, so ensure it's 100% accurate. You will also need to set up a 4-digit PIN. This isn't just for ATMs. You'll need it for larger in-store purchases too. Once you review the terms and conditions, tap Confirm. One of the best features is that your virtual card is issued almost instantly, usually within 15 minutes of approval. You can find your card number, CVV, and expiry date right in the app under Card Details. I highly recommend adding this virtual card to Google Pay or Apple Pay immediately. This allows you to start shopping at physical stores using NFC before your plastic card even arrives in the mail. The physical card itself is free to ship and typically takes 14 to 45 days to reach your doorstep. To learn how to move crypto from the spot wallet into the funding wallet, click to watch this video right here. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.